What if I told you that a brand new 2027 travel trailer could give you a queen bed, a full bathroom, an indoor kitchen, an outdoor kitchen, solar capability, and a 12-foot power awning, all while staying under 22 feet long? Sounds expensive, right? Well, here's where things get interesting. The 2027 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16FQW is showing up at dealers with dramatically different pricing. One current dealer listing shows an MSRP of around $38,000, while another dealer has advertised a new 2027 model for around $22,000. That's a massive difference, and it raises one very important question. Is the Wolf Pup one of the smartest affordable RVs you can buy in 2027? Or is that low advertised price hiding something buyers need to know? Today on California Autos, we're taking a complete look at the 2027 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16FQW. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this little travel trailer is getting attention. The Wolf Pup follows a simple idea. Don't make the RV enormous. Make it practical, make it easier to tow, and give campers the features they actually need. Forest River describes the Wolf Pup as lightweight, easy to tow, fully self-contained, and designed with generous storage and tank capacity for its class. The 16FQW measures approximately 21 feet and 10 inches long. That's important because you're getting a complete travel trailer without moving into the huge 30-foot plus category. Current specifications list an unloaded weight of about 3,619 pounds, a hitch weight of approximately 445 pounds, and a gross vehicle weight rating around 5,545 pounds. Of course, these numbers are not permission to tow it with just any vehicle. Your tow vehicle needs to be properly rated for the trailer's actual loaded weight, including passengers, cargo, equipment, and anything else you're carrying. Always check your vehicle manufacturer's towing and payload limits before buying. But compared with many giant travel trailers, this is a much more approachable package, and that's one of the Wolf Pup's biggest advantages. It's compact, but it doesn't feel like Forest River simply removed everything to make it smaller. In fact, the floor plan is surprisingly complete. Let's start at the front. The Wolf Pup 16FQW features a dedicated queen bed. And that may sound like a small detail, but for a compact travel trailer, it makes a huge difference. You don't have to convert your main seating area into a bed every night. Instead, you've got a dedicated front sleeping area. For a couple traveling on weekends, that can make the entire RV feel more comfortable. The trailer also combines the front sleeping area with a booth dinette, so when you aren't sleeping, you still have a dedicated place to sit, eat, work, or relax. Current dealer specifications list sleeping capacity at around 3 people. That tells you exactly what kind of buyer this trailer is targeting. It's not trying to be a huge family bunkhouse. It's aimed more toward couples, solo travelers, or smaller households who want a compact RV with the essentials. Now let's move into the kitchen, because this is where the Wolf Pup starts feeling much larger than it actually is. The 16FQW includes an indoor kitchen with a cooking surface, a large sink, counter space, and a refrigerator. Current specifications list a 10.3 cubic foot double door refrigerator on the corresponding configuration. Think about that for a moment. You're looking at a trailer less than 22 feet long, but you're still getting a real kitchen environment. And then, there's something even more interesting. You also get an outdoor kitchen. This is one of those features that may seem like a luxury until you've actually gone camping. When the weather is beautiful, why cook everything inside? You can set up outside, open the awning, prepare your food outdoors, and enjoy the campsite at the same time. The trailer also includes an outdoor shower and an RV Grill LP Quick Connect system on the listed feature set. That makes the exterior of the Wolf Pup feel like an extension of the living space. And then we get to one of my favorite features, the 12-foot power awning. Imagine arriving at your campsite, you get the trailer positioned, press a button, and suddenly you've got a large shaded area outside your RV. Put a couple of chairs underneath it, set up a small table, cook outside, have coffee in the morning, and you've basically created your own outdoor living room. That's one of the reasons people buy RVs in the first place. It's not simply about having somewhere to sleep, it's about having the freedom to take your home with you. Now let's talk about the bathroom. The 16FQW has a full rear bathroom, which is a huge advantage for a trailer of this size. You've got a private bathroom inside the RV instead of depending completely on campground facilities. Current listings describe a bathroom with a tub and shower combination, toilet and sink. For a weekend trip, that's convenient. For a longer road trip, it can be even more important. Now let's talk about water. The Wolf Pup isn't just a basic sleeping trailer. It's designed to be self-contained. Specifications list a 26-gallon fresh water tank, a 28-gallon grey water tank, and a 28-gallon black water tank. That gives you onboard water and waste capacity for camping away from full hookups. Obviously, how long those tanks last depends entirely on how many people are using the trailer and how efficiently you use water. But having those tanks gives you considerably more freedom than a basic trailer without them. Sometimes you want to spend the weekend somewhere quiet, away from a crowded campground. The Wolf Pup also includes features such as LED lighting, a 55 amp converter, tank and battery monitoring, an 8,000 BTU air conditioner, and a 20,000 BTU furnace. Solar equipment is available on applicable configurations, but always verify the exact equipment on the specific RV you're buying. Now let's get back to the biggest surprise, the price. Current dealer listings show a huge spread. Some 2027 Wolf Pup 16FQW listings are around $22,000, while MSRP can approach $38,000. That's why you should always ask for the complete out-the-door price, including freight, taxes, registration, dealer fees, and options. Would you buy one at around $22,000, or would you spend more for a larger RV? Let me know in the comments. I'm Richard M. Tryon, and this is California Autos. Subscribe for more RV tours, reviews, and the newest affordable RVs in America.